What is up, guys? Welcome back to Too Much Tech, and in today's video we do have a bit of a pretty big unboxing. Not that it's like a really huge or hyped up product or anything like that, but it's just a big box. So with that being said, today we're going to be taking a look at, whoa, this box kind of slippery, but today we're going to be looking at the Elgato key light. Hopefully this thing makes my life a ton easier, because my lighting setup right now is not the best, but hopefully because of all the great things that everybody has said that this thing can do, and Elgato themselves have said, I think it was at like CES earlier this year is when they first showed it off, I think this thing could help me out quite a bit. And I want to try it out obviously before I buy a second one, because I was heavily considering buying a second one, but I don't know, maybe just having the one will be good enough. Or maybe I'll like this one so much I'll buy a second one. We'll see. Guys, at this point, this is the kind of lighting that I've been using. I was using like the little like umbrella things that go over it at first, but those were just way too much work and they didn't really do too much. They didn't really work out that well as far as diffusing the light. So I basically gave up using them, and that is where the key light is gonna come in, because the software control is supposed to be a lot lighter and a lot more adjustable than lights like this. So this is what we're gonna be working with now, and we're gonna do a quick unboxing on the brand new key light, and hopefully this thing makes my life a ton easier in terms of getting much better lighting, much more consistent lighting, much more dynamic lighting in videos. Grab the knife just in case we need that, and it looks like we do. This box is really big. Holy crap. So this is like a little instruction thing that I'll take a look at some point, probably while I'm setting it up. Wow, the light itself is actually decently heavy. So that's kind of cool. And so this is the thing. I wonder if... So I see that it comes with like this desk mount, but I wonder if I can like use this on like a regular light stand. I'm pretty sure I can. I'll just have to figure out a way. AC adapters for different countries. Obviously, let's get the US one out. So I guess this is just purely 100% a desk mount. So I don't really know how often I'm gonna ever use this, but what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this little light stand right here, pop this weak behind light off, and we're gonna pop the key light on top of that. And that's how we're gonna use it. Anyways, guys, here is the back of the key light. This is what it looks like. We got like an on-off switch or something, I think. And then the light obviously right here with the diffuser already applied. I guess like one cool thing is you got like 4 different mounting points on the key light. So you basically got one on each side. So I guess that's good for like stability if you want to have like different angles or orientations. But yeah, we're just gonna go real regular with this one. And that was really easy getting that mounted on. So yeah, guys, that takes care of that. That's how you set up the key light. You just screw it on top of any light fixture ever. Figured out how to make the key light work without a PC. You can actually just download the Elgato Control Center app on your phone, and it's a lot easier to use on your phone too, because you don't have to look for the little thing in like the bottom right hand corner of your screen on Windows. So this is actually much easier and much better, but it's really simple to set up. In the app they got some instructions that you follow, really easy, super simple. I'm surprised they didn't mention it on that big card that they had that they put in the box for you to use, because using the app is so much easier too. See how much easier that is to use? And you can like change the temperature if you want cooler light, if you want really warm light. So I think it looks much better than these other little lights that I've been using for about the past almost 2 years. So I think Elgato did a really good job with the key light. Alright guys, but that is going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new. If you guys are interested in purchasing your very own Elgato key light, I will have it linked below on Amazon so you can get it in like 1 or 2 days if you guys have Prime. And yeah, be sure to follow me on social medias like my Instagram and my Twitter on screen now. Drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new, and comment if you stayed till the end of the video. Comment Squidward, and I will catch you guys in the next video.